I'm a Jamaican, of course. If it is not a smartphone, it's a banger. I'm a Jamaican, of course. I'm calm, cool, and collected, but me cuss out your family and your backside favor. I'm a Jamaican, of course. I love Sunday, Monday. I'm a Jamaican, of course. I just like skettle when I go downtown. I'm a Jamaican, of course. I don't use my expensive phone on the road. I'm a Jamaican, of course. If I enter the taxi, I'm gonna say good morning, good afternoon. I'm a Jamaican, of course. I expect people to be lenient with rules. Thank you. I'm a Jamaican, of course. Me lecture to people who want them better than people. I'm a Jamaican, of course. Me use bleach for everything. I'm a Jamaican, of course. I know some reggae music and dancehall, even though my neighbors string cut in a church. Me grew up in I'm a Jamaican, of course. I chew my bones before giving them to the dogs. I'm a Jamaican, of course. I call Ludo Ludi. I'm a Jamaican, of course. I believe meat must be washed. As a matter of fact, anything you put in your mouth to wash properly, all with soap. I'm a Jamaican, of course. I'm extra.